on the phone line is Cecilia Russel, our special projects editor. Good morning to you, Cecilia. Thank you for joining us. Just talk us through your thoughts on the judgment that's just been handed down. The DA's application has been stayed, and in order to pay costs by the public protector and the president.
Yes, I think it's a very interesting judgment because the judge did not fall for any of the arguments of the DA that this was a necessity, it was a rush, we needed, it needed to be done in a hurry, that the president was unnecessarily delaying a commission of inquiry which would look into the allegations of state capture. In fact, he said that if they had to get in, or because there's already an application in court by the president regarding the remedial action, specifically around the commission of inquiry being appointed by the judge. I mean, by the president, not by the president, by the Chief Justice.
Chief Justice.
Yes, yes. So it would be a waste of time doing it now. It's waited 10 months already. A few more months won't matter. But there were some very important constitutional issues he put in place. He said there was concern about, a separation of powers. It's concern about the fact that the public protector, which didn't oppose the DA, interestingly enough, had in a different court said that it was Parliament's, or agreed that it was Parliament's prerogative to change the Constitution, and in this particular case, it would require a change in the Constitution because the Constitution clearly said it is the President's prerogative to put in place a commission of inquiry.
And also, Cecilia, you just mentioned something important, that the public protector admitted that she has no power to dictate to Parliament. So that being said, in the same breath, how could she then feel that she had the authority constitutionally to dictate to the president? Yes,
it's quite interesting that the public protector seems to be in a strange legal space at the moment. I don't think she's defining her role very clearly. She comes out with judgments, then she immediately agrees that what she had said was wrong. In a court of law, though, as far as the SAIC's report and the South African Reserve Bank, that matter is still to be heard properly. But here again, she sided.
We seem to have lost our connection there with Cecilia Russel, our special assignments editor. She was just talking us through her thoughts regarding the judgment that's just been handed down by Judge Makume at the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria in the case between the Democratic Alliance and against President Jacob Zuma, as well as the public protector with relation to the state of capture report and remedial action that was recommended, where President Jacob Zuma is actually set to appoint a judicial commission of inquiry. Well, the judge says the DA's application has been stayed pending the outcome of judgment in a different case, with regards to the president wanting the public protector's report to actually be put on review.